Harvester ants clear out large patches of vegetation as they actively forage for seeds, damaging grass, plants, and crops. Like other ants, harvester ants are capable of biting and stinging. In this video, we'll go over how to detect harvester ants, how to control their activity, and how to prevent them from coming back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Many different species of harvester ants may be found in the United States. Generally, these ants are orange to reddish brown to dark brown or black in color. They measure to be around 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch in length. Some ants may have hairs, and other ants may have protruding spines. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Harvester ants create nests outdoors in areas with dry, sandy, or loose soil that see full sun. They can commonly be found in lawns, gardens, grasslands, woodlands, and the edges of driveways and sidewalks. While these ants can establish nests near residential areas, they do not create nests indoors, nor will they invade indoor spaces often. Outdoors, look for ant mounds or nest openings. Harvester ants clear large circular patches of vegetation around their nests. You'll often find 1 to 3 small entrance holes near the center. Entrances may be surrounded by low, flat mounds made of sand, gravel, or soil that ants have dug up when building their tunnels. Another sign of harvester ants is the presence of narrow, worn trails leading to the nest. These paths are often lined with discarded seed husks. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. Start your treatment by spreading a granular insecticide like Valar Plus. Valar Plus is made with Bifenthrin that's able to control many pests that infest turf and soil. Ants are especially sensitive to Bifenthrin, so they'll stay away from areas you treat and prevent them from reestablishing. With a push spreader, apply the product's labeled rate of 2.3 to 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Evenly distribute the product by broadcasting half your granules in parallel lines once across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Make sure you walk at an even pace. Once applied, activate the product with up to 1/2 inch of irrigation, or for a rounded treatment plan, apply a solution of Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a Bifenthrin-based liquid suspended concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product will need to be mixed with water. For residential treatments, you can mix and apply your product in a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To treat your property for ants, mix 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Broadcast your solution evenly throughout your lawn. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure even coverage. Then, treat ornamental plants on your property by spraying from above and below foliage to coat all leaf surfaces. Next, conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that ants can use to invade. Spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Ants will be repelled from treated areas, stopping them from foraging on your property. To treat ant mounds, saturate each mound with 1 to 2 gallons of solution, treating a 4-foot diameter circle around the nest entrance. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Make your property less conducive to ant activity with proper lawn maintenance. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density, reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. Finally, keep up with preventative applications of your pesticide products. One application of Supreme IT will last for up to 90 days, so we recommend quarterly applications to maintain protection year-round. Valar Plus will last for 2 to 3 months, so make reapplications in spring, midsummer, and fall for the best coverage. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop harvester ants from taking over your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.